How to fix Steamtools internet connection not working. Now, this is a pretty easy fix. All you're going to need to do is you're going to want to make sure to have the Steamtools PowerShell code. Okay, pretty straightforward. What you're simply going to do is you're going to run up the PowerShell for yourself. Okay, now in the case it does give you the internet connection error, all you're going to want to make sure is just restart your laptop, delete Steam coexistent issues. So right over here, what you're simply going to be doing is just right clicking. There's the addition. And once you've done that, you're going to hit enter. And once you've hit run, as you can see, it's going to go ahead and add in your Steam. Okay. Now, in most cases, what you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure that you do have Steam. But once you do have that and you add this line of code, the Steam tool should download pretty easily from scratch, and your internet connection error should not appear. That is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.